Hi, my name is Tony, and this is my why story. Why I believe God is calling us to step out and venture into this world of church planting. I think it's really boiled down for Carrie and I both in Matthew 22, where we are supposed to love God with everything that we are, and then love people, passionately love people, love God and love people. A couple years ago, I started prayer walking around Washington, Iowa. It's where I was currently serving as the youth pastor / discipleship pastor there at Faith Baptist Church. And I really felt like God was calling us to step out, to do something different. Wasn't really 100% sure what that was. At times I thought, is this bad pizza? I mean, who leaves their job and follows God to do something unique? And then I remember, we are supposed to love God with everything we are. And so simply put, I started pursuing that prompting that I felt, the wondering, God, what are you doing with our lives? I sought some wise counsel and kind of had some inclination that God might be stirring in us a desire to plant a church or a calling to plant a church. I got a chance to hook up with Pastor Marty at the Bridge in Ottumwa, Iowa, where I currently serve as a church plant resident. We went on a couple trips with each other and really developed a great friendship where he was able to pour into me and affirm me and really allow me to see that, yeah, God, that might not be bad pizza. That is God really calling me out of where I am currently to do something really special. And it's really going to be on me whether or not I decide to step out and obediently follow God, to love Him with my entire life and really my entire calling and ministry. I had a unique opportunity to go up to Minneapolis and be affirmed by a handful of church planners at an assessment center through Converge Worldwide. And we were built into, affirmed, and then commissioned, really blessed to really pursue this calling. And that's really how I ended up in Ottumwa, Iowa. And so really our story over the last couple of years has been really, we want to love God. We want to do whatever He calls us to do. And we really believe He's calling us to provide something unique for believers to get excited about pointing their lost friends, coworkers, and families to. And that really goes hand in hand with the second part of Matthew 22, and where we know that it's love God and love people. And so I think our desire to plant a church, the why behind what we want to do is we're crazy about God, and then we're crazy about people. We believe that God has really given believers such great influence in almost any city that you find a church, that there's influence inside the walls of the churches, of people in churches. And really Carrie and I just have a boiling passion to see believers ignited to go and share gospel, share truth with their friends, families, and coworkers. And so that passion was lit and is still flaming inside of me to start a church where, simply put, we partner with insiders who are inside the church, believers who are waiting to be called out on a mission, a Matthew 4:19 commissioning to go and fish for lost people, and really to provide an atmosphere where insiders in the church are unashamed to invite lost friends to come and come here and see really Jesus in the way that we treat one another inside the church and in the way we really do life with one another. And so that's my why story, helping people figure out how to love God with everything they are. Now, that's really the discipleship process, and then rounding that out with giving them a passion to love people, just to go and point their lost friends towards Jesus, and that's really where our heart is. Again, my name is Tony, and this is my why story.